everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the taking measurements quest in Visit. First, just head to the Crater Island and then just look for the NPC named Samantha like this. But before that, make sure you have already finished the Forgotten Tool quest. If you haven't completed it yet, you can check the link tutorial in the descriptions. And once that's done, just talk to the Samantha and accept the measuring quest. And your task here is to measure the just take measurements at the crater island, and all you need to do is walk around the island, and while moving just tap on empty area of your screen to activate the measuring tool like this, and then just keep doing this as you explore different spots on the island. Just continue until the quest progress bar is full and check. And after that, just return to the Samantha and report the results. And that's it. You will receive mutations potions like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.